Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I always try to get better with the quality of what I'm eating or what I'm digesting, this is the Fiji mineral water. So we might say, okay, it's just a bottle of water. That's right. But the highest quality ever. And obviously, in my surroundings, lately, the quality of the water that we've been having is not the best in the world. So I've been looking, or I've been just doing that. I've just had all this mineral water. I pretty much go around everywhere with a bottle of this in my car, going to the gym, put it in my backpack. So I just make sure that the water that I'm drinking is just highest and top notch when it comes to quality. And at the same time, that is going to add you all these nutrients with all these minerals, and it's just pretty good. You just have this peace of mind that what you're drinking is good, and you just get the best of the best. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.